Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the new Gemini 3.5 Flash model from Google, and really this might be one of the most impressive AI models I've tested recently, because Gemini 3.5 Flash is not just fast, it's extremely good at front-end generation, visual design, multimodal understanding, and handling large amounts of context and sources, and what really surprised me is how good it is at creating websites, not just basic landing pages. I'm talking about cinematic websites, interactive dashboards, and front-end experiences that genuinely look professionally designed. Another major strength of Gemini 3.5 Flash is how well it works with context and sources, so you can combine it with NotebookLM, PDFs, screenshots, datasets, and detailed prompts to generate complete visual experiences instead of just text outputs. And it's also incredibly fast at doing this. So in this video, we'll create a website using NotebookLM sources, a real estate platform, and recreate a website directly from a screenshot. So let's get started. So let's start off with the first example. So what we're going to do is combine our NotebookLM sources with Gemini 3.5 Flash to create a full cinematic luxury wellness experience. So what I've done is upload a collection of luxury wellness and resort materials into NotebookLM. You can see I've got wellness tourism reports, hospitality design inspiration, sustainability and retreat documents. And the great thing is that Gemini can use all of this as context when generating the website. So instead of getting something generic, we can create something that actually feels grounded in the sources we uploaded. Now what I'm going to do is head over to Gemini, and if you look at the models here, you will see the 3.5 Flash model selected here, and I'm going to paste in a very detailed prompt describing the exact type of luxury experience we want to create. And you can even ask Gemini or ChatGPT to help generate prompts like this for you. And the key thing with the prompt is that we're being extremely specific about the visual style, the color palette, the luxury branding, the visuals, the website sections, the dashboard components, and the overall cinematic experience we want the website to have. So instead of asking for a simple website, we're describing a full luxury wellness brand experience. So I'm going to add the prompt, and I'll leave you the exact prompt in the description. We will then go to more uploads, select notebooks, and choose our resort and wellness notebook, go to more tools, select canvas, and then we'll enter that. So let's look at the output, and now you'll see why I said Gemini 3.5 Flash is surprisingly good at this, because this is not just a basic generated landing page. Look at the overall visual quality here. So let's download the landing page so we can view it full screen. We've got beautiful typography, smooth animations, layered imagery, premium color palettes, and these really polished immersive layouts. And what's impressive is that the website actually reflects the NotebookLM sources we uploaded. So instead of generic sections, Gemini created wellness destinations, retreat experiences, sustainability concepts, all based on the source materials. Now, if I scroll down, look at these destination cards, and they have the imagery, the overlays, the hover effects, then further down, and we even have a full wellness dashboard with KPI cards, analytics charts, and wellness metrics. And then if we keep going, we've got personalized planners, signature experience sections, destination maps, membership tiers, and testimonials. So this feels much more like a complete cinematic digital experience than a normal AI-generated website. So for the first example, we used NotebookLM sources as the foundation behind the website, but this time we're going to see how powerful Gemini 3.5 Flash is when you simply give it a detailed creative prompt. So what I'm going to do is paste in a prompt for a premium real estate website, but I'm not just asking for a basic property listing page. I want Gemini to create something that feels like a full luxury property experience with cinematic visuals, premium property cards, investment insights, and neighborhood analytics focusing on a high-end design that feels like a real global real estate brand. So I will add the detailed prompt again. Make sure that you select canvas, and then we'll enter that. And now here's the output. This time Gemini created our luxury real estate platform with a full screen cinematic property slider, premium gold and navy branding, and a proper high-end brokerage feel. So up here you can see we have these massive property visuals with the location, the property name, the price, and an explore button. Now if I scroll down, we also have this floating search system where users can filter by location, budget, and property style. And we also have the property portfolio portfolio with image cards, pricing, bedrooms. And so Gemini didn't just create the design, it also created the property data structure behind it. Below we get an interactive map section with clickable property markers. Then we have a virtual tour section where you can switch between different rooms and even drag across the image like a simple 360 style viewer. We've also got market insights, investment style metrics, and even an interactive mortgage calculator. So this is what I mean when I say Gemini 3.5. Flash is not just creating websites, it's creating full interactive platforms with sections, data, filters, charts, modals, calculators, and animations, all from one prompt. And now for the final example, and you'll see how this is really impressive. So this time, instead of generating a website from sources or prompts, we're going to recreate a Booking.com style website directly from a screenshot. So what I'm going to do is upload a screenshot of Booking.com's website and then ask Gemini 3.5 Flash to rebuild the entire front-end experience, including the layout, sections, styling, typography, and the overall visual structure. And this is where Gemini's multimodal understanding becomes really powerful, because it's not just analyzing text anymore, it's understanding interface design and visual hierarchy directly from the image itself. And now I'll ask Gemini to recreate it, and again select Canvas. And now look at this. This is not just a simple cloned landing page. Gemini actually rebuilt an entire Booking.com style platform with live filters, search systems, pricing cards, dashboards, interactive maps, and even responsive mobile layouts. And the crazy part is that this all came from a screenshot. Gemini understood the structure, the components, the layout logic, and the front-end design patterns, and then rebuilt the whole experience automatically in minutes. And this is why I think Gemini 3.5 Flash is becoming such a big deal, because it's moving beyond simple AI chat into a full creative engine for building digital experiences. So in this video, we saw how you can go from NotebookLM research, a creative idea, or a detailed prompt, or a screenshot, to full cinematic websites and interactive platforms in minutes. And what really stands out is the combination of speed, multimodal understanding, visual reasoning, source handling, and front-end generation, because Gemini doesn't just generate code, it actually understands modern interface and design patterns surprisingly well. So if you haven't tested Gemini 3.5 Flash properly yet, especially for website generation and creative workflows, you're seriously missing one of the most impressive AI capabilities available right now. And if you want more practical Gemini, NotebookLM, and AI workflow videos like this, make sure you subscribe. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.